Yo, can you see that? What are you doing, bro? What are you doing? What are you doing? Can you stop abusing your tires? Oh, god damn it, it's back. But I know what it is. It's like the O2 sensor. But I'm at the homie's house. Yo, son. Prius people are like the fucking angriest motherfuckers on the road and inconsiderate people on the road, other than BMW drivers. But this motherfucker almost hit this dude like coming out of here. You can't see it because it's bright, but almost hit this person coming out of 7-Eleven. Yo, then he like yelling at the dude because he's exiting out. Look, I'm about to get him. About to get him.
What's up? I'm wearing the coffee. I'm wearing the chocolate. She over here tripping on the camera off the early. We about to hit this garage. About to show y'all what that Mopar life's about.
Oh, you got gay Mopar? It's like, no.
Hater.
Hey, hold up. Shit, what? Hold up. I don't think this was the one this wasn't the one that was running on Instagram. I think it was this one that was running. Shit is badass. I want a car. Damn, yo, that Acura chick is past it. Yo, I really got a good look at her this time. Yo, she is fine as shit.
A few hours later.
I was about to troll this dude. Y'all heard that, right? But it was like a black TL that just passed by. But I'm about to go fuck with people. This shit fucking sucks, yo. I just smack it.
Oh, that's not bad.
This shit is kind of clean. It's clean as fuck. I think it's a fucking Supra. The boys right there, they're kicking each other. But they go Rob right there. Oh, Vince is here. I gotta find out where he is though.
So it's whether or not he's gonna be an idiot, they throw him under the bus. Well, see, the thing is, they tried to tell him.
It's not fucking
We not getting into court date in the first place because you didn't have the representation when he did, so they lied. Because they didn't have the information, they knew they were wrong. You literally kidnapped me behind somebody in a black car with your lights cut off.
Gang, 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 gang.
I keep forgetting about it. I had him forever. Yeah, I'm still hearing that.
Hold up.
Dude, Coffee's coming back in April. We'll be back. Oh, you're just gonna hit me and then just keep walking like you don't know me.
I'm cold.
It's all good. How are you?
Good.
I feel old now. I'm 25 now.
Probably the oldest one here.
Probably. But you look young.
Thank you. Tell that to my kneecaps.
He had a Mustang speed 6 at that time, and I was sort of.
Why you gotta do that?
I mean, he was fucking.
What? You see? See how he treats me?
Huh?
See? Look at it. Look at he's being
I can
bad,
tap
y'all.
dance and everything. That's not tap dancing. I don't know what you're doing.
Hey, look, man, it's cold.
Exactly. I feel you. Get some rocks tied to your shoes. It's all good. It is cold out here. It is chilly.
Yeah.
Where the Maryland shorts at?
Better than 14 degrees.
Oh, this is like springtime to me compared to like when it was 5 degrees outside.
Oh, I saw somebody coming out of Walmart the other day. Just because I went up there to go get a good one, man. I'm out.
Stupid automatic bitch.
I'm putting this all on the vlog too. I'm gonna vlog him. What the hell? It's Casey. That's Vinny. Oh, hi. Wait, no. I wish right now. I know this truck. What's up, man? Oh, I'm sorry, my hands are cold as shit.
Mine are too.
Honda gang. Sorry, I'm done. I should have got it when it was coming in. It has that nice exhaust.
Nice documentary.
What? Hey, I'm vlogging. Wait.
Make sure they can hear you. How you like the Subaru right here? Have you seen this one before?
I'm gonna, yes. I love it very much.
It's pretty nice. He drives, you know, mountain runs and stuff like that.
Are you serious? Oh, damn.
Him and his...
I'm not telling you!
I always see you. I was like, oh, there's something driven girl.
What? It's fucking... Oh, I just go by TR. Look at that. This is better than that. No.
You're gonna be a come on.
No.
Keep the camera rolling.
No. No.
Where you going?
I'm leaving.
What's going on? I like the car.
Yeah, your car is
Over
amazing.
here by yourself.
Stay like that.
Cause you don't know nobody
My
here.
buddy just got the wagon.
Yeah.
He had that. I don't know if you've been up here much, but he had the key with the gold wheels. That way he
Shit's
crashed
clean.
that. And he got that this week.
Oh, really? Yeah, I see the tags. I was like, oh, they just got this one.
Just got it.
I want an STI so bad and an SI, man.
So you guys out?
They're like the best cars. When the hell does Subi pull up?
It ain't that bad. It ain't that
Yeah, it is. This motherfucker. Yes, I love you, Jesus Christ. Team Subi, okay.
But yeah, I got a buddy of mine right now who's in Hawaii. I'm like, you lucky bastard. He's in
I'm about to troll him.
Hawaii. I'm like, I hope he's back home in Philly right now.
He's parking next to me. Hey!
That's Subi life.
He just turned the lights off for me.
It's the curve, bro.
Yo, isn't that the one in
Where
hey!
it's like, he can sometimes be annoying, but
He's hating on the TJ Hut.
but like
he does.
people can't really say people. Most people say stuff about him because they feel like he doesn't work on his cars, when clearly he's in the video turning a wrench,
Yeah.
doing this,
No,
doing that.
I'm not saying that. I just sometimes
Half his comments
voice
are
and the
people
way
getting
he-
mad because people feel like he screwed over Smurf and WRX.
Oh, I found out someone who used to work for him. Remember that dude? They used to work for him? Smurf and WRX?
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta turn this shit off.
Hello.
They probably did that just for views. Just for views.
Oh,
Only one I can deal with WRX.
they're coming. It's a bunch of them.
I can deal with that one because
They're in a gang.
She's got his dog. His though. His four wheelers and
This
racers
is
are a
this
lot
is what
more.
they talk about.
Yeah, his aquatic car. His
What the fuck? It is much. I don't know what they're doing. I think he's leaving me. Look, see, he's getting aggressive. See, I told you Latinos are.
Bitch, you bring me some General Tso's chicken?
What the fuck? How did you know? See,
Huh?
wait, where does Subi put? Your exhaust is gay. Okay, I'm sorry. That wasn't your name. Hey, Mike, do it again. It's like,
Hey, wait, but they
What
gave
the
you
fuck?
for the other one?
That gave me a repair order.
see this shit?
For the turbo back? Oh yeah,
Get out
Question.
the car.
So, how do you feel? So,
hey,
He just look at him. He just walked off.
really, you better just record me now. Get my first
Hey, look, vlog is life.
Hey, it is what it is.
Hey, be nice. Oh, look at them. They're their own crew. They probably came out because of me. It's like, no. I'm out of trouble.
They like, yo, TR
motherfuckers.
about to be here. Let's roll.
I'm gonna speak Spanish. I don't know. I know a little bit. Yes. My friends teach me the bad words.
I honestly thought that was funny.
What?
I was going to Anne Arundel Community College. There was so many modified cars there.
Huh?
We all left, and then they decided to have their own car club. I'm like, really? I'm talking old school Mustangs, 240s, Evos, WRXs, and now they have their own little car club.
Oh, shit.
Little car club.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach a destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, down is made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.